They all were teachers. They used to transfuse their knowledge to their students. And in a nutshell, our Islam, the legacy of Islam is the knowledge. Our legacy, Muslims have got a legacy from Prophet Islam. What is that? That is knowledge. How? In last sermon, Prophet Islam said that I am leaving two things among you. One is my holy progeny, and second is holy book. And holy book, what is book? Book is the treasure of knowledge. It suggests that we, the Muslims, have been given knowledge in legacy. And if today we do not get knowledge, means we are not on right path. And this is knowledge, and the channel of knowledge, this leads to prosperity. If we want prosperity, we must walk on this channel. We need to hug the legacy of Prophet Islam. If we don't hug this legacy, we will face destruction. We will have to cope with destruction. We will face destruction. That's why we are required to get knowledge. Why I'm saying this is our legacy, and this is not only the legacy of Muslims, but it is also the legacy of prophets. Once Ali was asked, when he was questioned about knowledge and wealth, then he replied, he said that knowledge is the legacy of prophets. So we, the Muslims, we must get knowledge, and this knowledge has great importance, and one who gets knowledge, he gets spirituality, greatness, and high station. Thank you very much.